Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to select a seat on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to select a seat on Flair Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. On the home page, go ahead and click on My Booking, and that's going to take you to the My Bookings window where you see the list of all your bookings, and that's where you can manage your bookings. So if you don't find your bookings here, you have to enter them manually. So enter the reservation number for that booking and the surname or the last name to access your flight details, and click on Find My Trip. Once your booking is displayed, check the flight details to confirm your reservation. Look for an option that says select seats or manage seats depending on the updated version of your app. Click on the select seat option and you will be directed to a seating map of your aircraft. In there, review the available seats, which may be color coded based on their pricing and availability. So green, it means available seats, red means seats that are not available, and yellow means seats that may require an additional fee, which are premium seats. So click on the seats you wish to select. If the selected seat requires an additional fee, you'll be prompted to confirm the payment for that seat. So follow any on-screen instructions to complete the selection. After selecting your seat, make sure to review your selection. Then click Confirm or Save Changes to finalize your seat selection. You should now receive a confirmation that your seat has been successfully selected. Now, after completing your selection, you may receive an email confirmation regarding your seat assignment. If you do not receive a confirmation, you can check your booking again through the Manage Booking or the My Booking section, which we have in here. Now, I would like you to note that seat selection may be included in your ticket price or may incur an additional fee depending on your fare type. And if you're traveling as part of a group, ensure that you select seats next to each other if desired. Now, changes to seat selections may be allowed up to a certain time before the flight. So check Flair Airlines policies for more details. And that's it. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.